Hi guys, I'm showing you how to do it yourself rebonding, and this is how my hair looks like. I've been doing rebonding for many years, and when I get to New York or US, I have no time to go to the salon to fix my hair. I'll show you what I got, and I must try this one. It's in a package. I haven't opened it yet, and let me take it out. I ordered this from the Amazon, and yeah, I found this one. This is crystallizing straightener. And then it comes with a neutralizing cream. All right. Now I have seen some video vlogs about this process, and I must try. Alright, so I have a little bowl. Oh no, the problem is I thought I have some tools to use this, but I found this one. I hope this works. And all right, this is my hair before the treatment, and we'll see how it goes. And unfortunately, I colored my hair. I have a lot of grays, and yeah, it's gonna be a problem. It's looks like my hair is already damaged by the colors, because I need to color my white hairs. I used to have growth of white hairs in this spot, so I would color my hair like the whole thing, and then after a couple of months gonna see white hairs beginning to sprout in my forehead, and I have to use another permanent color to cover them. All right, that's it. I have a friend in the Philippines, and he used to do my hair in a salon, the salon. And yeah, I asked him about the effect of rebonding process when the hair when you color the hair, and he told me that it's gonna be a delicate process. So a tip of advice, he told me, because I already dyed my hair like a month ago, and had this color in the roots to just cover the white hairs in this spot like a week ago. So he told me that a tip of advice to use a little bit of this cream, not I don't have to finish it all, so I'm gonna just this is like I don't know, 400 grams of this straightener cream. Yeah, and I'm not gonna use them all. I'm gonna just maybe use like half of this, like this, like 200 grams of this one, or maybe a lesser, or and later on if the amount that I use in the straightener, it's the same amount that I'm gonna use in this neutralizing cream, so it's gonna be, you know, a long process. Okay, and we'll see about that. Okay, see you in a little bit. Okay, to begin with, I'm gonna use this straightener, this one, the crystallizing straight. At first I'm gonna take like 200 grams of this cream, and yeah, to begin I have to section my hair into parts. Okay, like this one. Okay, we'll see how it goes. All right, and then here, I don't know how it goes. No, I'm not really prepared to vlog this one, but let me try. Okay, you see my hair, it's so horrible. Okay, I have a small section here, so I'm gonna start from a small section. Since it's do it yourself, so it's gonna be so it's going to be loads of work. There you go. Here. All right, now what I did is prepare my hair, and I haven't prepared myself yet. So let me see. I have gloves. All right, I'm back. Now I already make a section to my hair, and yeah, this is the one part of my hair which I'm gonna start treating it. Since it's do it yourself, well, my tools would also be improvised. This is a garbage bag, and I have some gloves. Yeah, and I'm gonna start with the straightening cream. this one, and we will just open the cup. Here, it's like this high, not really so big, but it's 400 grams. But my friend told me, he's an expert, he's been doing my hair for many years. He told me that I'm gonna just use like maybe half of this or lesser, because friendly tip is just if you color your hair, if you have the been coloring your hair, it means it's an extra damage. So my hair is already a bit damaged, and you see the curls, it's frizzy. And yeah, I'm gonna just use half of this. Let me pour this on the bowl. Right. I'm just using a small amount of this because we'll see. Oh, it smells very strong, so I'm gonna take some section of the hair and just start. You don't have to apply it straight in the roots because it's gonna be, I will just apply it like half an inch, and then just a pretty small amount of this, because alright, so see you in a little bit again. This is the straightening process, and it's almost over, and I'm gonna rinse it with just plain water, and we'll see about that. final result of the process of using the straightener, and I am so happy, and I didn't expect this result. I was crossing my fingers if I could achieve the best result that I'm expecting. And yes, I'm so happy, and I recommend you this one. Yep. And you see, I just this is 400 grams, both of them, 400, and then I just use like if this is 400, I just use like 150 for this length of hair, 150 grams. And yeah, it's not really that creamy, like you put everything on your hair, because a friend of mine taught me how to use it on the hair, because once your hair is colored and you apply this kind of process, it's gonna make your hair damage. And so I was worried about at first, but yeah, I tried my luck, and this is it. I'm happy. Yeah, this is an honest review of this product, and I hope you will also try to use this one. And it's effective, I tell you. See, it's bouncy, it's shiny, yeah. And I just take a shower, blow dry my hair, and this is all about it. Okay, thank you.